Hey, it's Dave Altavilla for Hot Hardware here with my good buddy Marco Chiappetta here at CES 2020 in Las Vegas, Nevada at the ASUS showcase with something very interesting to show you, right buddy?
Absolutely. So this is the just announced ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 notebook. So as you can see, a nice slim sleek 14-inch notebook, but this guy's packing some serious horsepower. So inside this machine is an AMD Ryzen 4000 series mobile processor, 8 cores and 16 threads, and for the first 6 months at least, ASUS has an exclusive on the 35-watt model inside this machine. Now, in addition to that powerful processor, you can have up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics. This particular one has a 1660. There will be, additional models available as well. And nice full HD 14-inch panel on these machines. And what's interesting is it's a 120 hertz adaptive refresh rate panel, so it's also great for gaming. Obviously, if you have an RTX 2060, you want to be able to game on a nice panel, and this has you covered there.
This is only 1.6 kilos. 1.6 kilo thanks to the magnesium aluminum chassis, which is really rigid, really strong as well. We didn't want to compromise on the build quality like some other brands do. This is still really strong and durable. It has ergo lift as well, really solid, lift up the laptop for better cooling and a better typing angle. So compared to regular Ultrabook, for gaming, you want a really nice panel. So we have a 120 hertz custom 14-inch panel, high refresh rate, Pantone validated, and with adaptive sync as well. So it has variable refresh rate. If you want to go more towards content creation, because as you can see, design-wise and also feature and spec-wise, this is something that not only gamers will be interested in. We have a WQHD panel option as well. What else separates this from a regular Ultrabook, besides the panel, is also that we have a really nice keyboard, 1.7 millimeter key travel. So if you compare that to, let's say, MacBook, which upgraded to 1 millimeter key travel, this is 1.7, it's way more comfortable to type on and to game on.
So another really cool optional feature on the ROG Zephyrus G14 is this 1000 LED matrix on the lid. So this is completely programmable. The ASUS's software will accept animated GIFs or text that you want to scroll here. We also saw a demo where it was going along with the beat of music. And now I can show you the software on this panel here. Now this interface is likely to change, but you have a bunch of parameters that you can adjust. ASUS is calling this their Anime feature. I may have pronounced it incorrectly, but that's probably close to correct. And as you can see, this is the animation running on the machine now. This is just an animated GIF that goes to the ROG logo. But you can basically customize it with whatever you want. Now, another cool feature with this machine, as we've mentioned, up to RTX 2060 graphics, and it's an 8-core 16-thread processor, so you're going to need some serious juice if you're gaming on the road. This is ASUS's new 180-watt power brick. It is not this big, massive, heavy brick. It's small, slim, and sleek. This is for full power if you want to game on the go. But this machine can also be charged through USB-C. The USB-C adapter is not going to be enough to power the machine while gaming, but if you just need a charge on the go, or you're just tooling around on the desktop, or want to charge in a hotel room and you don't want to carry around the big power brick, you can use a USB-C charger with this machine as well.
Very cool, and that's the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14. Thanks, Marco.
No sweat, brother.